Welcome to the KIS Investing Trade of the Week. If you are like many investors and traders, you like to look for shiny objects. And what is shinier than gold? Almighty gold. Take a look at this beautiful gold coin. It's pure gold. And today, if you have missed the gold move, and I'm gonna give you a trade that you could benefit if gold starts going up, and you will have to commit to buying it if it goes down a little bit more. But it will allow you to get in the gold game and participate in case of the rally that I expect in gold to happen as soon as the US dollar stops going up. Very well, without further ado, let's go get the gold, baby. Very well, let's start by looking at the chart of gold. This is, by the way, a weekly chart. And we could see that here in March, gold bottomed around $138 to $139. And since March, it just skyrocketed very, very, very strongly until it hit a high of 194. Recently, we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down weeks, which is a lot, I think. And we all know, if you watched my week in review video, we all know why gold and a lot of commodities are coming down. The reason is we're coming down because the US dollar has been strengthening very, very much. And you know, commodities and like gold don't like the strong US dollar. So I'm looking here at the chart and I see, you know, a good opportunity to get in. And I also see that we have maybe some support around here around the 167 area. So I would like to place a trade that will benefit me if gold goes up, and that I won't lose money if it goes down a little bit more. And if it goes down a lot, then I will have to take ownership of gold at a lower level, which actually I don't mind doing, because if I get gold assigned in my portfolio, I can immediately turn around and sell a call against it to keep improving my cost basis. Very well, let's take a look at the trade page. So I have the trade here set up for us, and right now we can see gold is trading up at $174. So I want to take a trade that is, you know, 45 days is what Tasty Trade recommends, and they have done the best research of any other company. I don't see any 45 days, so let's go to the November expiry, which is 55 days, and it's still within a good range for us. And what I like to do normally, and this is what I call a smart SPX trade, but I'm adapting it today to gold. So what I normally do is buy an at-the-money call, which here would be the 175 call, and then I look for another call that is worth half of the price of this call. So this call is worth around $5.80, let's say. So just to be a little bit safe, I'm going to try to look for a call that is half of that price. And here I can find a call that's around $3, and that's the $183. So this trade actually is not a very good trade, because we're gonna pay a $3 debit for an $8 Y spread that is out of the money. But how can we fix that? If we are paying around $2.80 to $3 for this vertical over here, I would look to sell a put to pay for this vertical. And the put that I have chosen is the $168 strike. Why? Because it's the furthest out of the money strike that allows me to have a credit. Even though it's a small 3-cent credit, this is still a credit trade. That means I will not lose any money if gold stays within the range of these strikes. Now, what I hope to happen is that gold rallies very strongly up to $180 or $183, which is my short call strike. And then I can manage the trade by either closing everything down, or I can just close down the risk factor, which would be the 168 put, and then have this vertical almost on for free. Now, let's analyze the metrics of the trade. This trade has a maximum profit of $103. And that's not bad. It's a good amount of money. And this trade also has a maximum loss of $16,800. Wow, that's a lot. Why? Because if we're selling the 168 put, and if gold theoretically goes to zero, which it won't go to zero, but if it did go to zero, we would lose $168 times 100 shares, which is $16,800. I don't expect that to happen. Now, how much capital do we need in our accounts to place this trade? Well, we need $3,081 of capital to be able to place this trade. And for an $800 return, I think it's not bad at all. It's at like a 25% return on our money at maximum profit. Now, let's take a look at the probability of us making a little bit of money. The probability of making money in this trade is 66%, which we can see right here. And what about the Greeks, you might wonder? Well, this trade has, of course, a positive delta of 49, which means that we need gold to go up. And also it means that for every dollar that gold goes up, we will be making around $50 in this trade. And it has a positive theta of $4, meaning that every day that time passes, we will make $4 of theta decay in our trade. Now let's take a look at the curve graph. So because I'm a graphical person and I like to see things with my eyes. Here we can see clearly where the green zone is, and the green zone tells us where gold is in the little circle over here, and then where do we make money? We make money every place that it's green. That's why I love this tastyworks platform. It's so easy, it's so clear, everybody can understand it. And clearly we can see that our break-even price for this trade is around $168, which is the place where we sold our uncovered put or our naked put at the 168 strike. So if gold stays within this range and rallies a little bit more, this will be a very nice trade for us. And remember, the way to manage this trade is either taking off the put down here or taking off the whole trade for a nice profit. If gold crashes down, we will be assigned the $168 put, and we will own gold at 168, which is a price that I'm very comfortable owning gold at. And what I would do immediately is look to sell either the 168 call or any call above that will give me a nice premium in order to reduce my cost basis. Remember, the name of the game is cost basis reduction. Thank you very much for watching the trade of the week using gold. Remember the golden rule. The one with the gold makes the rules. If you like this video, help me out by clicking like. Please like this video, help me. Please also subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, and remember, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. Good luck trading, everyone. Go get the gold.